Sziasztok! In this video, I would like to explain to you what accusative case is exactly and how to recognize it in the Hungarian language. Accusative case or objective case is not something specific in the Hungarian grammar. It exists in many languages, but its form might be unusual. You might even forget that you have it and you use it on a daily basis, for example, in English. In English, there is no suffix or any extra changes on objects. For example, I eat the sandwich. Nothing changed about the sandwich. But they indicate it on pronouns. For example, John sees Lisa. Nothing changed yet, but if you say John sees her, now the pronoun shows an accusative structure, making Lisa to suffer by the action of being seen by John. In German, accusative case can be visible by the article and the pronoun. I will never forget that chart from my childhood. We had to memorize all the forms of nominative, accusative, genitive, and dative. If I close my eyes, I see the second line, which was accusative, den, die, das, die. So let's see some examples. Die Frau sieht den Hund. The woman sees the dog. If you can spot den, there is the accusative indication. The dog is suffering by the action of being seen. Or, die Frau sieht ihn. The woman sees him, which is the same structure as in English. Before I explain to you the Hungarian version, let's eliminate all the cases when accusative cannot be used. You need to understand that the accusative case isn't just an optional add-on. In Hungarian, a noun can only take one case suffix at a time. So, if a word already has a suffix for place, time, or instrument, it cannot take the accusative t ending as well. You cannot use it if the object already has the following suffixes. These are the location suffixes and they cannot be combined with accusative. There is only one way to have them in the same sentence if the location itself is just an extra information, not the focus of the sentence. For example, a könyvet az asztalra teszem. In this case, könyv is our focus, our object, not asztal, because asztal became a location by the suffix, not an object anymore. More suffixes that won't work together with accusative. You can't use it with location postpositions either. This list is not complete, but I wanted to bring your attention to the most common cases. Now, let's see finally what is accusative case in the Hungarian grammar. The easy part here is that accusative case in Hungarian is technically just another suffix, the letter T, and also its variations based on the vowel harmony. This suffix can only be attached to the object itself that is suffering by the action. Let's see if you can find the objects in the following sentences. Eszek egy almát. Látom a kék buszt. Tévét nézek. A kenyeret sütöm. A csokoládét ebéd után kérem. Nem szeretem a mézet. Hány cukrot kérsz a kávéba? Ha-ha-ha! The last one was a tricky one. We have some words that can drop out a vowel. For example, cukor, cukrot, bokor, bokrot, szobor, szobrot, szeder, szederet. And we have those that can lose the accent. For example, levél, levelet, egér, egeret, madár, madarat, híd, hidat, víz, vizet. And some examples with extra letters. Ló, lovat, tó, tavat, hó, havat. There are some cases when you can combine accusative with other suffixes, with plural suffix in this order. And of course, our favorite combination of plural and possessive. Last but not least, as in English and German, we also have accusative case with personal pronouns. Engem, téged, őt, minket, titeket, őket.